Hi everyone and welcome to module number 2 for ME83 Computational Mechanical Engineering Lab. I'm Dr. Burns. So the topics for the second module, we're going to be working on our lab number 1, which is analysis of a part. Now, as you complete this lab number 1, you'll be submitting it as an assignment through Blackboard. So lab 1 has been posted. This will be due on Sunday the 29th by the end of the day. Now, as a reminder, we do have required recitation hours, and these are scheduled for Tuesdays from 5:05 p.m. to 5:55 p.m., and these will be broadcasted through Teams. Now, again, these are mandatory and will be your opportunity to meet with other classmates and team members to ask questions, work on your homework assignments, and to get together and work on your group projects as well. So now an overview for this module number 2. Within this module, what we're going to be doing is introducing the SOLIDWORKS simulation user interface. And with that, we're also going to be completing lab number 1, which is that analysis of a part. So within this first assignment, you're going to be completing the SOLIDWORKS simulation tutorial that is titled Analysis of a Part. Now, as you're working through this tutorial, please be careful and pay particular attention to the units that are used within the tutorial. You'll notice that some of the plotted results may slightly differ from those presented within the tutorial. Now, there is a link within the tutorial that should automatically load the part file that you need, but if this does not work properly, there is a copy of the part file that is available for download on Blackboard. So for our objectives for our module number 2, we're going to be taking a look at within this module is the orientation and setup of the SOLIDWORKS environment, talk about customizing the SOLIDWORKS screen, look at our property managers and dialog boxes, and then go over a couple of cautions and facts to know as we're going through this first lab. Now, we do have some required readings and viewings. You can see down here your required readings and viewings. There is an introduction reading number 2 that's included on Blackboard, and this is the Introduction to SOLIDWORKS Simulation. So again, this is a document that's uploaded through Blackboard for you to read through. Also, I'm going to ask you to review the materials from our previous module, module number 1. So now let's take a look at our schedule for the semester. Within the schedule, we have a column for our module, what module we're working on, what week it is in the semester, the date, the material we'll be covering within that module, what a homework assignment was assigned, what assignment is due, and what the due date is of that assignment. So last week was our module number 1, where we just did our introductory reading and analysis of a part for the new material, and your only assignment was the reading. Now in our module number 2, for this week 2 of the semester, we're talking about the new material being the analysis of an assembly. Now your homework that's going to be assigned is this lab number 1, and this is going to be due, you can see the due date here is on the 29th by the end of the day. So all assignments are due by Sunday at the end of the day. So as we move through the semester, please always refer back to this schedule to see what's coming up next, when assignments are due, and anything else that we need throughout the semester.